Yo, it's your boy Madboy 101, and I am playing some Fly Like a Bird 3 for a bit of fun. I was starting a video before, but at that time my phone probably died on me. So yeah, I'm gonna go on multiplayer. I'm gonna go as an eagle. Now I need to see my keyboard. And my keyboard's pretty awkward to see, so yeah. So there we go. I've put my name in OMG. It's Mad Web. Just need to make sure I've got my buttons. Hit site, log in. This is the one I was on last time. Some guy just randomly killed me. I honestly have no idea why. And I honestly have no idea why I was pressing the mouse button. The mouse actually does nothing in this game. Yeah, so this is Fly Like a Bird. I used to love playing this game all the fucking time, but yeah, as you can tell, there's a lot of people, there's cars, there's other people flying about, like this guy up here, a couple of guys around the area. It's good to be an eagle in this game. Because I'm an eagle, I'm supposed to go to extraordinary heights, because that's what eagles do. They go stupidly high in the air. This is the way eagles do it, though. If you guys could do the tiny little circle up in the top corner, I'll probably point at it. It's kind of up in the top corner, you won't be able to see it. But this is how you fly like an eagle. And do a dive. It's pretty much an overview of the map for the names. The map isn't exactly as big as what I reckon they could make the game, but you know, it extends out a bit. And here we go, up there. Let's do this. Yeah, this is going to be my house. Yeah, so what I want to do is find a twig. So the first thing you do is you find a bin. If you find bins, you can find twigs. But on the map, there's usually a marker. If there isn't one, then you know, you just get over it. But if there is one, find it. I'm gonna make myself a nest. Yeah, what you don't want to do in this game is stay still for a second, because then someone's just going to come along and kill you. Yeah, as you saw there was a kind of a bluish bird. Nah, so there's nothing in that one. Yeah, so just got to find a bin. And I don't think I can find one at the moment. I just got hit by a car. So what I'm going to do is move out of the way of the road. You see another car coming. So I need to get an egg desperately soon, which means I've got to make a nest. If I don't make the nest, I'll end up dying. If I end up dying, I'll have to start again. I won't have to start the video again, but I will have to start the game again, which is kind of a problem. Because I hate restarting games, but yeah, it has to be done. There's a bin over there. Hopefully this one hasn't been scavenged in. And hopefully a car doesn't zoom past me at 10 billion miles an hour. Yep, and I died, because you cannot land in a bin. So yeah, that kind of what happens. I'm going to replay it. Multiplayer. A bit of bar now this time. One name down again. As it is OMG, it's Mad Web. What a name. Yes, it is slightly turdy, but what are you going to do? Let's go on this. Island 2. There's quite a few people in it. Let's be a bar now. These things are pretty sweet. I should really be a bar now in this sort of environment, but I am. It's best to be like a weird looking bird. Now and again, the best homes are the ones on top of mountains. Quite a few people build houses on mountain tops. I don't actually understand why they do it. If I build a place, it's going to be on one of these. Okay, now, I did not want to go there. So yeah, there's probably a guy over here. Probably got a guy after me now, but so if you've ever played this game, or if you've ever seen people play this game before, then you'll understand it is pretty, like, it's pretty good. It's not that bad. If you actually just want to learn how to, you know, see a world through a bird's perspective, just play this. It's pretty sweet. And there's a bin just behind me. I need to just land in it properly though. So where is it? There it is. Land in a second. And now, what the fuck happened there? See if I can find the bin again. What? And I'm dead. What cunts? What's the point? It's not right, man. Pretty gay. See what a ring neck is. Yeah, so this video is going to pretty much end soon because I don't want it to go too mad. As this is a ring neck. It's like a pelican on it. This is just like the map from the early game, from like the first one. These things aren't that good at flying, are they? Fucking hell. here. I don't really play this game much, but you know, if you want me to do more videos, then please comment on the video and tell me. And no one expects me to be hiding in this area here. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I've just dropped some poop on the floor. Please rate, subscribe and comment, and you know, just enjoy life. Look, I pooped on the floor again. Bye.